Hey guys, I have your favorite Pete the Cat in a book called Pete the Cat and His Big Easter Adventure. And as usual, the author and the illustrators are Kimberly and James Dean. They do all the Pete the Cat books. I haven't read this one yet, so I'm very excited. There's the title page again, Pete the Cat, Big Easter Adventure. Pete was excited. Easter was here. He couldn't wait for his basket of goodies. Jelly beans were his favorite. There's Pete getting up in the morning. Uh-oh. His basket was empty except for a note. Pete, please help. Find the eggs, paint the eggs, hide the eggs. Thanks, the Easter Bunny. P.S. Wear these. Look at him now. Pete put on the bunny ears and thought, a cat with ears like a bunny? Now that's funny. Happy Easter, chickens! Do you have any eggs today? Pete asked. I am helping the Easter Bunny. Sure, Pete, we have lots of eggs, the chickens said. We are happy to help, but don't you need a bunny nose and a fluffy bunny tail? The chickens were right. A bunny nose and tail would be neat. Then Pete's costume would be complete. All right, so Pete's getting very creative here. Pete put on the nose and tail like a bunny's. A cat dressed up like a bunny. Now that is funny. Now Pete was ready. It was getting late, and he still had lots of eggs to decorate. What colors would Pete use? There's rainbow. Lizzie, I know you love rainbows. Hop, hop, hop. Off to the tool shed for paint and brushes. So now he's even hopping like a bunny. Pete couldn't wait to paint the eggs. Some eggs had one color, some eggs had two. Some eggs were red and some eggs were blue. He's being very careful. I can't wait to see your eggs. When the eggs painting was done, Pete had a basket full of bright, colorful, amazing eggs. Now hiding them would be lots of fun. Look at all his eggs. He did polka dots on some and zigzags. He was very creative. But where, oh where would Pete hide the eggs? Around the neighborhood for all his friends to find. Pete hid eggs in flower pots. He hid them in the water spout, and when he was done hiding the eggs, Pete the Cat was all worn out. Helping others out is what Easter is really all about, Pete said. Pete's job was done. He was hiding the last one when the Easter Bunny arrived. Helping others can be lots of fun. Happy Easter, everyone. And now I want to show you some Easter fun. I have my special Easter Bunny glasses and ears. I know, I look crazy, don't I? I would love to see what you guys would look like if you made your own bunny ears. So try to make them and then put a picture on Homeroom so we can all see. Miss you guys. Happy Easter.